Hello, room 15. This is Mrs. Roberto, and this is your back to school PowerPoint. Let me go to our next slide. Who am I? My name is Mrs. Roberto. I am a third grade teacher. I'm a wife, a mother of 4 sons, and a teacher. And I love kids and I love teaching. I went to Fresno State and I got my bachelor's degree and I got my master's degree there. Oh, let's look at that. That's kind of a crazy picture of sometimes, well, mostly how I used to look. Now I look a little less baby. My baby is now going to be a 7th grader at Alta Sierra on Monday. Okay, class information to contact me. Class Dojo, probably your best bet because I have that app on my phone and I get it right away. Email, you can email me at allison.roberto@fresnounified.org. Some expectations for a successful year, some things that can help you help your child. Attend all of the sessions, log in 5 minutes early, be prepared when you come, have a pencil, have some paper, have things that you might need, whiteboard, dry erase marker. Find a quiet place to work, participate with all your classmates, complete all of your assignments, always ask for help when needed. I am here to help you. If you need help, I don't always know that. Sometimes you need to let me know. So parents, if you feel like my child is understanding, let me know. Just on a side note, if there's a lot of struggle, that is definitely a problem. If they're having a little bit of productive struggle and they're thinking about things and it might take them a little bit longer, when you're having that little bit of a productive struggle, that actually grows your brain. So people that struggle, they've done a lot of research on it, and people that struggle just a little bit, it's growing their brain. So please let them just have a little bit of time to think about something, have a little bit of struggle. Don't always try to save the day for kids because, man, that really grows their brain. And we want their brains to grow as much as possible. Okay, single sign-on. This is, which is Clever. We have a single sign-on in Fresno Unified. It's called Clever. And if you get to Clever, if you can get to Clever, you can get to anything you need in Fresno Unified. This is our online math curriculum, the Go Math, and you'll see an icon for that when you click on Clever. Wonders, this is our English Language Arts curriculum. This looks a little bit different. Your kids might be confused because last year it said Wonders on it, but the publisher changed their icon and now it says McGraw-Hill, so they might be a little confused and wonder where Wonders is. This is Wonders. You'll see another icon, Office 365. They can click this and they can get right to Teams. Now I know that a lot of you have an app for Teams, but this is how I prefer you to get into Teams. If you go through this app, it gives me some analytics and I can have some more information about how your child is doing. Ooh, I'm sorry, I got a little ahead of myself there, behind myself. This is grade distribution, pretty straight across the board, probably what you've seen frequently. I will tell you that I do not give a child below, the lowest grade they're going to get is if they say they did a test and it was 100 points and they got 2 points on this. I am not going to give your child 2 points. They will never recover from that kind of a grade. So I would give them, so if they did really poorly, they would get a 59. That's probably, if they turn in 0 assignment, I would probably give them a 58. Just so you know, like how my grading goes. I'm not going to just bottom out a kid's grade because I just think that's just not very nice. And it's like they just can't recover from those really, really low grades. Okay. This is a lot of information on one PowerPoint, but I'm going to go through it. This is actually a PowerPoint that we have in that we will be showing your kids, and one of the other third grade teachers just snipped this all on here for us. So make sure your device is charged. Keep your video on. Raise your virtual hand. Use respectful language. Be 5 minutes early. To all of our meetings, 5 minutes early. We know that technology can have a lot of hiccups, and that 5 minutes might be the 5 minutes you need to be like, hey, something's going on. I can't get on. No food or drink. Ask before walking away. Come prepared to work. Stay muted unless you're speaking because there's a lot, sometimes we can get a lot of feedback and then you can't hear everyone else. And keep your eyes on the screen. Okay, this is the schedule. Parents, you will have from 7 to 9 pick up breakfast and lunch. Now, I'm going to tell you something that maybe you are noticing too. Fresno Unified believes that your children can teleport, but I do not believe that they can. They cannot be on a live lesson at 9 o'clock if you are picking up your breakfast and lunch at 9 o'clock, and they will be marked tardy if they are late. That is something they are telling us that we have to do. So just make sure that you get that breakfast well before 9 o'clock, breakfast and lunch, because that's going to be a problem if they're late. 3 lates equal a tardy, well, 3 tardies equal an absence. Okay, office hours, they're 8 to 9 in the morning. That is on Tuesday and Thursday. The other mornings I have some meetings. You know that, please know that you can class dojo me and I can help you out at any time you're going to need help. I'm pretty available, maybe not always on nights and weekends, but I try to get back to you if I can at all. I highlighted these, the times that the lessons go live because I feel like as a parent, that's the information that's most important to me. When does my child need to be in front of that computer and have it on? And these are those times at 9, at 10:15, 11:45, and at 12:45. Okay, then there's going to be some breaks. I might meet with your students from about 1:15 to 2:30. I might meet one-on-one with your student. If they're needing extra help, if I need to talk to you about any behavior, anything like that, this is when that's going to happen. If you are going to be absent, if you have a doctor's appointment, say you made a dentist appointment, you made it for 1:30, please call the office and let them know so that I don't try to schedule something, and let me know so I don't try to schedule something to meet with your child at that time. Okay, technology conferences. Gosh, I hope you're all signed up for these. It's going to help you out immensely. Monday and Tuesday, we will have technology conferences, and I will be able to show you some things online that are going to help you out a great deal. Okay, materials pickup is 11 to 11:45, Monday the 17th. That is for 3rd grade, okay? And I plan on being out there and waving at you, so I hope you come and see me. And that is the end of my presentation. And I can't wait to see all of your kids on Wednesday morning at 8:55. Okay, bye-bye.